Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. It is pumpkin season, and that means one thing. I get to make a delicious, creamy pumpkin pasta dish. Our water's boiling, so let's get started. We've got a nice rolling boil on our water here, so we're going to add a good amount of salt, and then our pasta. Then we're just going to let that cook until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we're just going to chop up our onion and mince our garlic. Now we can start making our sauce. When your pan is nice and hot, drizzle a little olive oil in your pan, and then cook your onions and garlic. Season with a little bit of salt, and cook just until the onions are translucent. Then deglaze with half a cup of chicken stock, and then bring your heat down to simmer. To that we'll add half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and of course our pumpkin. It wouldn't be a pumpkin dish without spices, so we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. Stir all the ingredients together. Let it simmer for a couple minutes and then turn off the heat and add your pasta. If your sauce comes out a little too thick, you can add some of your pasta water and just stir it in until you have your desired consistency. This creamy pumpkin pasta is super delicious and ready to serve just like this. Or you can also add some fresh parsley and, if you'd like, some toasted pecans. I hope you get to try this dish soon. Thanks for watching! Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.